Diesel-powered vehicles are used in a variety of businesses across the state, and those vehicles need well-educated and well-trained technicians to keep them running. Delaware Tech's Diesel Technology program prepares students for immediate entry into the workforce as a diesel technician.
Our students will graduate as highly trained entry-level technicians with a variety of certifications that will allow them to hit the ground running.
Located at the Georgetown campus, the program is housed in the state-of-the-art Automotive Center of Excellence, which opened in 2020. The center was built as a response to the need for more trained diesel and automotive technicians in Delaware and the surrounding region. Inside the Automotive Center of Excellence, students experience hands-on learning with a variety of trainers and diesel-powered vehicles, from pickup trucks to tractor-trailers to construction equipment.
The hands-on learning is very beneficial because once you get the feel for doing certain jobs in this field, it helps you learn a lot better. I feel like if you was just to learn it on a computer or in a book, you wouldn't be able to go out and do it. But going out and touching all the parts of the cars, doing various jobs with your hands, it's a lot easier to remember.
Students must complete at least 1 year of the college's automotive technology program before moving into diesel technology, which makes graduates of both Stanton and Georgetown campuses' automotive technology prime candidates to start the diesel technology program immediately. The program can also benefit anyone currently working in the field as an automotive technician, since earning an associate degree in diesel technology could help with the promotion.
Well, the first year automotive program covers the introductory course, which is extremely important, how a shop works, that basically sets the foundation for the rest of the program. It covers electrical, steering, brakes, and suspension. And after that, you can choose automotive or you can choose diesel. In the diesel program, we focus on preventive maintenance. Heavy trucks, 80,000-pound trucks heading down the highway, they need to be tip-top shape. So we're going to cover air brakes, steering suspension for trucks, medium and heavy duty, air conditioning for tractor trailers, not only for the trailer but for the tractor as well. The second half of our program covers diesel engine performance, drivability, and really getting into the teardown of a diesel engine.
Prior to the creation of this program, anyone interested in becoming a diesel technician had to travel well out of state to receive this education. Now, students can stay in Delaware, continue working, and complete a degree that allows them to join an evolving and growing career field.
I want to become a diesel technician because I enjoy working with the large rigs. I got a lot of hands-on experience with automotive, and then I worked for the Department of Transportation working on plow trucks and a lot of the big machinery, and found a love for it. It's very important to me that this program is offered in the state of Delaware. Any other program that I researched is hours away. They're available only in other states and other areas, and the travel is not feasible.
If you're ready to start a career as a diesel technician, don't wait. Apply today. For more information, visit go.dtcc.edu/diesel.